In this video, we're going to show you how to install spark plugs on your Cadillac Escalade located on each side of your engine. Once you open up your hood, on each side of the engine you're going to locate 4 ignition wires on each side. Now the bottom side goes down to your spark plug down here by the exhaust manifold. You want to disconnect that connector going to those. We're going to use our pliers here to go ahead and pull our boot off here. Going to twist and pull. Set that aside. Right here is your spark plug using a 16mm socket and an extension with our ratchet. We're going to loosen and remove that. Doing this job is going to be best with the engine nice and cold. Go ahead and take your new spark plug and align that up. And it's always best if you can thread in your spark plug by hand first. Once you have that caught a few threads, go ahead and use your extension and your socket. Spin that in the rest of the way. Now we just want to snug this down gently. All right, once that's bottomed out, let's go ahead and torque those down to 15 foot-pounds. Go ahead and install your ignition wire. Slide that over the plug and push it until you feel it snap into place. Simply want to go ahead and do the same process for the other 7.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.